Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you ever wonder how you can download videos from TikTok with or without the watermarks, this is a great solution for you. This website name is qload.info. I will have it on my description, and basically you can just go to TikTok, pick a video. I'm going to use Will Smith today, copy link and just paste it in the website that I showed you and press download. This is how easy it is, and you can just choose with or without the watermark, and the website will generate a video and you can save it, as you will see in a few seconds. Now let's just be good people and don't use someone else's content without giving them credit. So if you are going to use someone else's video, please leave the watermark and show them their appreciation. So now I'm going to save it, and you will see a pop-up on the screen that it saved it over here. Okay, and now I'm going to open and show you that it's actually saved it without the watermark. Now you can also use this website to save videos on your phone. So I want to show you how you do it. You can see all the information over here, but I'm just going to show you now how I did it. I just went to TikTok, I picked the first video that I found, and then I'm going to press share, and there's supposed to be an option to copy a link over here. Oops, let's do it again, and let's just find where is copy link. Okay, so this is copy link, and I will do the same thing and open Safari and paste this link. Now it's going to ask me if I want to save it or download it. If I remember correctly, yes, download. And once I download it, I need to find where it saved it. So it usually save it in documents. So I'm going to my documents and just try to find this particular video. So over here I'm going to download, and here is the video, and that's it. Now I can just save it to my computer, or I can airdrop it. So this is it. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon.